came out recently. We're about to check him out. You know what I'm saying? I love me some Jackson Wang. I always did. He's I wouldn't say he's the homie, but definitely if we did hang out, it would be a good time. I still can't believe that I saw that clip of him and Duke Dennis. He was really trying to say, hey man, come to China, Duke Dennis. He's like, brother, come to China. I'm like, dang, Jackson. Anyways, let's check out Jackson Wang, what we got here. Oh. Dang, he got that cigarette. Oh, he's stressed. He's stressed right now. What are we good? What are we stressed with? Oh, shit. You cold? You want me to hug you? Got that VHS tape. Hell no. Do not touch that. Don't touch that, Jackson. Okay, he did not listen. Did not listen at all. Oh, here we go. The Magic Man. Oh, he got bodyguards.
No one knows what's in your mind.
Oh no, he got like people. Oh, that was kind of a crazy shot. Okay. Oh. Oh hell nah. I don't know what we're getting ourselves into. The envy has a meaning. It's like he's shackled, kinda, or like a prisoner in his own world. Okay, Jackson. Wait. Oh, he doesn't have the key? Was he even attached? Like, was he even locked? Oh, that is. Oh, it is locked now. Like, not lock, but it was like it's closed. Oh shit. Oh. Wait, what? They locked him in. Oh, them eyes. No, Jackson. See, first of all, them eyes are creepy as hell. I mean, they're probably done on purpose. But if I saw that in the nighttime, just like somebody coming in like this, oof. I think it's done on purpose, obviously, but you can't get out though. Yo, it's a setup. Hey man, let my boy out. The hell? Oh hell nah, bro. Oh my god, yo, we witnessing? What we witnessing, bro? Let him out, man. Oh shit, he left? How did he get out? Did he punch it? You can't. Oh no, he didn't. Oh, whoa. The darkness is coming. Whoa. You can't get it away. Oh, hell nah. And they all just staring at him while he's going through it. Ain't that some shit? Whoa. Not them knocking like he's a fish or something. Oh shit. You got cut? Oh, he's just bleeding? Ow. Oh. Broke through. Whoa. Wait, what? The production's nice too, by the way. Visually and music-wise. Whoa, this is crazy. What the fuck? Damn. Oh, damn, Jackson. And the red is filling up the white curtain. Dang, the deepest wounds are not from your enemies. It really isn't. Is that what I read? Shit. Hey, man. I just want to give Jackson a hug, bruh. High alone. It's a deep cut. That's a deep cut. It's the audience. Yeah. Whew. Dang. Jesus. That I felt that for some reason. I felt that in my gut. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what everybody's talking about. Oh, he commented, "All my life I really told you who I truly am, how I really feel. Maybe it's not something people want to listen to. Maybe it's not something people even care about. I spent the last year understanding the Jackson I've always been avoiding. Let me tell you the truth I see. It's all in this album. Let the story begin. High Alone out now." Whoa. Dang. Yeah, the deepest wounds are not from your enemies. The audience watching him drown for their entertainment and then leaving as soon as he's done struggling. That's a big statement. I just want to hug Jackson, tell him everything's gonna be okay. Yeah, man. Wow. The way he visually represented that was really good. Jesus. My God, Jackson. This was 9 days ago? Jeez, damn, I have to take a breather after that one, no?
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.